Start with the question number 27. The point on the curve x square is equal to 2y, which is nearest to the point 0, 5, nearest to that, is it? You have to find x and y. Okay, let the nearest point be a, x and y, and b is given as 0, b. So we'll apply the distance formula, because the point on the curve which is nearest to this means distance between that two points. Then we can find what is AB. Okay, so let's a is equal to ax, a xy, and b 0, 5. So applying distance formula, x minus 0 plus y minus 5 whole square. If you simplify it, you will get x square plus y square minus 10y plus 25. Is root AB. AB is equal to root x square plus y square minus 10y plus 25. Okay, but what is given here, we have to substitute now value of y or x. We can substitute. It is not necessary, but you can substitute here. Either we can replace x or y in this equation and then simplify it. Okay, so you'll get a value of it. So x square is equal to 2y, so y is equal to x square by 2. So we can substitute in place of y. So d is equal to root x square plus here y square. So x is to 4 upon 4 minus 10 x square upon 2 plus 25. Is it? Not 21. It is 25. Okay. So if you simplify it, you will get this value. So you have to remove the square. So for squaring on both the sides, after squaring you will get d square x is to 4 upon 4 minus 4x square plus 25. So now we can take derivative. After taking derivative, we will get x cube minus 8x. Is it? Let it equate it to 0. So we will get x is equal to 2 root 2. Now we have to find where the nearest value. What is that? Nearest means minimum. Okay, minimum distance, d should be minimum. Nearest value means nearest to 0, 5. Nearest to 0, 5 means distance should be minimum. Okay, we found d. Now this we have to show that it is where distance is minimum. So d square by x square is equal to this second derivative. We got x is equal to 2 root 2. Is it? If you substitute at 2 root 2 in place of x, then we will get 16, which is greater than 0. So d is a minimum value. Is it? D square is a minimum value. So d is a minimum value at x is equal to 2 root 2. Okay, so one only got, because it is nearest point. Nearest point means what? Nearest point means minimum distance from given point 0, 5. Okay, now we got an x is equal to 2 root 2, so y also we can find y is equal to 4. So the nearest point is 2 root 2 oblique 4. Question number 28, you have to find minimum value. F of x is given, you have to find minimum value f of x. U into v form. So if you simplify, okay, u into v form, you will get f dash of x is equal to 2x squared minus 2 upon 1 plus x plus x square raised to whole square. Is it? Okay, now for the critical point f dash is equal to 0, so we'll get x is equal to plus minus 1. Now you can find out with the second derivative, but I've done here with the second derivative, but I think is that second derivative takes a lot of time. Okay, understand? So it is better to do with the second derivative, first derivative only. So first derivative, you got a two critical point, plus 1 and minus 1. So take plus 1. If it is plus 1, left hand side will be 0 and right hand side will be plus. Okay, so sign is changing from, substitute here, x is equal to 0. 0 means here minus 2 upon 1. So minus 2, which is negative. Is it? Substitute x is equal to 0, so this will be 0, this 2 will be 0, 1 will be left. So minus 2 upon 1, that is minus 2, so it is negative. And if you substitute 2, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 2, 4. This is entirely, it is whole square, so it is positive. So it is positive, we got positive. So it is the f dash of x is changing the sign from negative to positive. So x is equal to 1 is a point of minima. Okay, is it? So no need of checking for this, but for courtesy we'll check it again because it may be asked. So let me check it here. Now for minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, so minus 2 and 0. 0 we know that it is always negative we got. So only check minus 2 you will got positive. So f dash of x changing the sign from positive to negative. So x is equal to minus 1 is a point of maxima. And we are asked to find only minima. What is minimum point? X is equal to 1. So f of 1 we will find it. Okay, f of 1 is 1 by 3. It is over. So either you can do it here as I done it with the second, okay, second derivative order, or you can do with the first by this way, but I feel is that first is easy, so do with the first only this side. Is it? Do it, because second derivative here differentiation is very tough, so better to do with the plus first derivative only. So like this here and here. Okay, let's move on to 29. Question number 29. Maximum value of this in the interval 0 to minus 0 to 1. So 0, was it 0 and 1 we have to do. 0, 1 and at critical point. So if it is, if you take the derivative of it, f dash of double dash will be equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So for finding maximum value we have to check at 3 points, half, 0 and 1. So half is here, if you substitute 3 by 4, 0, 1 and 1 also you got 1. So maximum value is 1, which is C.